Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair the error Taskbar Icons Disappeared Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix error Taskbar Icons Disappeared Windows 11 restarting Windows Explorer. To start, combine the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard. This will open the Task Manager. Here, select Windows Explorer and click on Restart Task. When you do this, you must wait for the desktop environment to load back to normal. Check that the icons are visible. Chapter 2. How to fix error Taskbar Icons Disappeared Windows 11 logging out. To use this method, press the Alt plus F4 keys on the keyboard. In the pop-up window, select the Sign Out option and click OK. When you click OK, the session will be closed. You must log in again and you will be able to see the icons on the taskbar. Chapter 3. How to fix error Taskbar Icons Disappeared Windows 11 deleting file. To start, combine the Windows plus R keys. This will open the Run window. Here enter the command % local app data %. Click OK. After that, click on View, then click on Show and select the Hidden Items option. Now select the icon cache file and click Delete to delete it. Chapter 4. How to fix error Taskbar Icons Disappeared Windows 11 from Registry Editor. To begin, combine the Windows plus R keys. This will open the Run window. Here enter the Regedit command. Click on OK and then click on Yes to access. After that, go to the path that you see on the screen in the Registry Editor. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here, somewhere free, right-click and select New and then Word 32-bit value. Name this file Undocking Disable. After this, double-click on this value and in the Value Information field assign the number 1, click OK. You can now close the Registry Editor and check that the icons are visible on the taskbar. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.